And we are waiting to find out if prosecutors will seek the death penalty in this case.
And tonight, for the first time, we're getting an idea of how much it costs to defend death penalty cases. Denver 7 investigator John Ferrugia is here.
And John, before now, those who defend such criminals never allowed anyone to see the costs.
Yeah, and that's right. There are two state-funded offices defending those who can't defend themselves, the State Public Defender's Office and the Office of Alternate Defense Counsel. And for the first time, we know how much they spend trying to keep their clients off death row.
No questions.
Okay.
Robert Deere, flanked by his state public defender, is charged with killing 3 people in a terror-filled afternoon. It is yet unclear whether the El Paso County prosecutor will seek the death penalty. But our investigation has found that if he does, the bill to Colorado taxpayers will be in the millions. Neither the Office of the Public Defender nor the Alternate Defense Counsel is allowed by the state Supreme Court to release any information about individual cases without the defendant's permission. So we asked both to give us the number of persons their lawyers have defended since 2002 where the death penalty has been sought, and for the total amount spent on all those cases. The numbers are huge. The State Public Defender's Office has represented 10 persons in death penalty cases, spent almost $2 million on expenses like travel, research, and expert witnesses, more than $4 million on salaries of those involved in the cases, for a total of more than $6.3 million. The state's Alternate Defense Counsel represents the accused when the Public Defender's Office has a conflict of interest in a case, or when there may be 2 defendants in the same case, like the death penalty cases of Sir Mario Owens and Robert Ray, both now on death row for the murder of Javon Marshall Fields and his fiancée, Vivian Wolfe. Fields was to testify against Owens in another murder case. The Alternate Defense Counsel reported to us that since 2002, it has spent more than $26 million representing 17 persons in death penalty-related litigation, including trials, appeals, and post-conviction proceedings.
We, the jury, find the defendant, James Egan Holmes, guilty of murder in the first degree after deliberation.
These numbers include the defense cost of the Aurora shooting trial. But don't forget, taxpayers spent more than $3 million in detention, security, prosecution, and witness advocate costs on that trial. Now, it's important to note that the 10 cases cited by the public defender and the 17 by the Alternate Defense Counsel sometimes overlap. For example, one office will handle the trial, the other the appeal. So bottom line, death penalty defense costs come to about $1.5 million per case since 2002. Additional costs involving prosecution, the court, law enforcement, all that's going to vary by county where the trial takes place. I'm Denver 7 investigator John Ferrugia.